Hi, this is Paul from Superfast POD, and this is an overview of how to set up your Superfast POD Print On Demand app. Once you've installed the app, you come through into your Shopify store. You've got your apps here and you'll see the Superfast POD app. If you click on that and come through to it, normally takes you straight through to the products page, but if we go to the home page, the dashboard page, this gives you a sales and cost overview of your products. This gives you the total sales, and down below will give you the cost of goods. You've got current month, last month and year to date. Below that we've got your current orders, an overview of what's pending, what's been printed, held, completed and rejected, all pretty self-explanatory. If something's rejected, you'll get a notification. That could be for copyright, or it could be because there's a problem with the image upload, and any orders that you've cancelled along the way. If you want more details about individual orders, you just click the go to orders and they'll all be listed, and they're also up here. We have our getting started guide, we have our how to create a product guide, and again, check your orders down here on the bottom right. If we then click through to the getting started section, here we've got a video of how to create and upload your first product and put it through into collections, etc. It's just a general video showing you how to get your first product up on your store and get selling. We've also got a link to our full price list. We make that very easy to see what we charge and what our shipping prices are, and you can download this as a PDF and print it off or do what you need with it. We've got a link through to our shipping page, which gives you details on shipping cost, weights per product, which will help you if you're setting up a weight-based shipping policy for your store. We have an artwork section that gives you details on how to create your artwork, frequently asked questions, file types, file sizes, etc. We also have a template section where you can download templates, and there's a video on each product we have on how to use the template so you create the best design possible. We're continually creating marketing mock-ups for you to use in Photoshop, so you can use these for your Facebook marketing, etc. And we've also got a general frequently asked questions section. These all take you back to the website. So once you've done that, again, we have the orders section where here this will list all your orders in detail, so you can have a look at each one and where they are in production. You can search for orders by client name or by order number. This section here will allow you to download and print off invoices for any charges we make to your card for products and orders that we've shipped, all relatively straightforward and simple. Again, you can search by customer or invoice number. And then we have the settings section here. Now in this section, we need your contact details. If you don't enter anything in here, then we basically use your store's contact details, but if they're different, put them in here: phone number, name, email. We won't use these for any marketing, we won't spam you or anything. They're just in case we need to contact you about any orders or any issues or anything. The next section is the configure your payment option. In order to process orders through our system, you need to have a credit card on file with us. You can still use the app and create products and upload them to the store, even if you don't put any credit card payment options in there, but orders won't be processed as they come through. So if you don't have any card details on, if you take an order on your store with one of our products, it'll just get held, and you will get an email notification from us saying that in order to process your order, you need to basically set up a payment option and pay for the product. So the next section is configuring the notification. Generally, people have it set to notify me per order received, but if you're doing a lot of orders, you might not want to be getting order notification emails coming through every few minutes. So you can select notify me once per day, and we'll send you a summary of your orders and the payments that have been taken. The next section is the delay processing, whether you want to wait 24 hours for orders to be processed or if you want them processed immediately. A lot of people use this if they want to hold back for 24 hours in case their customers change their mind or contact them and want to change to another product or another design. So if you do select yes, engage the 24-hour processing delay, we don't charge your card and we don't start production for 24 hours. Just be aware that once we started production of your order, we can't cancel it because everything's printed on demand and customized. So it will go through and you will be charged even if your customer changes the name. If you select no, immediately the order comes through to the store, then your card is charged and we process the order through and ship it within a couple of days for you. So it's your choice which you wish to do on here. The risky processing section is basically Shopify risk checks any orders that come through to you. If you enable this, then basically Shopify will hold back any orders that come through that it deems as risky, and you would manually have to submit those to us. Basically, you just approve them and say, yes, I'm happy for this order to go. If you want all orders to come through, then select no, and the risky orders, anything that Shopify marks as risky, will automatically come through to us and we'll process the order. And that's it really. That's the app, that's the settings, that's how you get set up, and we'll do a separate video on how to create your first product and upload it to the store. Thank you very much. Speak to you later. Bye.